A newsletter reader asked for the lead magnet everybody wants and nobody builds, so I handed it to my AI. This is the new recipe, a branching quiz lead magnet where every result feeds a different email list. Quizzes usually stall because branching logic is real developer work. One wrong condition sends people to the wrong result. The whole recipe is one copy-paste prompt. Your questions, your branching rules, and your results, written in plain English. You paste in the sign-up form embed codes from your email tool. We tested it with MailerLite, but name your tool and your AI adapts. Here's what came out the other end on our test site. A working quiz your AI built as one small code snippet. Every answer routes you somewhere different. 2 clicks, and the quiz hands me a result made for me. Each result carries its own sign-up form, wired to its own email group so the follow-up automation matches the person. Different answers, different result, different list. This is the wiring nobody wants to do by hand. And the part I care about most, the code lands on your site switched off. Nothing runs until you review it and enable it yourself. The recipe and the exact prompt are in the cookbook link below. Connect your site at WPVibe.ai and hand your AI the job you've been putting off.